Hello. Today, I want welcome on to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na Hope Azeri. Today we wan talk about another defense wey you get to crime. Wey dem go say maybe dem say you kpai person or dem say you assault person, you do something wey be crime, wey get to do with assault, like you attack somebody. One of the defense wey you get na defense wey dem dey call provocation. Now provocation no be anger. Na where so many people dey get am wrong. I do this thing because I been dey angry. No be him be provocation. No be him wetin law dey see as provocation. Provocation na that thing wey be say if e happen, e go make you lose self-control. No be anger. I fit call you now, you no answer my call and you no call me back, I go vex. E no make me lose self-control. Provocation na something be say if you do am to me, wetin I go use as example now. For example now, I carry pikin for back. E dey come hit my pikin. That act alone dey enough to provoke me. That one fit cause provocation. Another thing wey fit cause provocation na you catch your wife, you catch man on top your wife inside your bedroom. That act alone go fit make you lose self-control. In fact, that one na perfect example of wetin be provocation. Or you as a woman, you enter your matrimonial bed, your room, you see your husband on top of another woman where dem dey do mekwata. That thing alone go fit make you lose self-control. And that time wey you lose self-control, you fit do anything because no human being wey go see that kind thing wey no go dey provoked. Na that thing na wetin law dey talk call provocation. Or some men wey dey feel say dem go fit do anything, everything for marriage go free. For example, I dey hear say some men when dem bring woman from outside come their house wey dem dey with their wife and children, dem go tell their wife to go dress bed wey dem go take sleep with the woman, or tell their wife to go okay make dem dress bed, boil hot water, carry go bathroom for the side chick to take bath, to take, you understand. That kind act alone fit make a woman lose self-control. Na like this I go fit take explain am well. You understand. Our criminal code act and criminal code law use big grammar, but na like this I go take explain am to make you know wetin be provocation. No be anger. So no use anger go do something come dey say na anger no be defense for law. Anger no be defense for law. Now section 283 define provocation. 284 now come dey talk say person no dey criminally responsible or liable to any assault wey him commit under provocation. So for example now, you wey be man, I dey always use man because na dem dey dey this situation pass. You just enter your house, you go work, you don go hustle, come back, you just enter your house, see a man on top your woman, dey mekwata. You fit lose self-control at that time. That period, anything wey you do that man and that woman, the defense of provocation go avail you. E go avail you. If maybe you wound the man, you do the man one thing, the defense go avail you. But if in that process you kpai the man, kpai the woman, or you kpai the man, leave your wife, the defense of provocation go help you, but e no go help you complete, because that defense of provocation now go come reduce the offense of murder to manslaughter. I know that una dey get the difference. And this thing now, provocation, just like I tell una wetin be the eye wey court dey take look self-defense. This provocation and wetin you do me go dey equal. For example now, if I provoke you, you wan come assault me, my provocation wey I provoke you and the assault wey you give me go dey equal. And the time too wey you use do this thing dey very important. For example, I know why they use man wey catch him wife with woman. For example now, as a man, you go your house, or okay no, person tell you say your wife dey somewhere with another man, and you come go there, see the man on top your wife, then they do mekwata. Then you come run go your house, go carry kala, go carry wey go use cut the man or cut the woman. The first of provocation no go help you. You know why? That time wey you run go your house come back, law see am say your temper suppose don calm down. You understand? Your temper suppose don calm down. You no go use am compare that time wey you see am. You understand? That time wey you see your under man on top your wife, you see that first thought wey you get, that first thing wey enter your mind wey you do na provocation cause am. And make I tell una, wetin assault wey people dey do under provocation, dem no dey think am. I no know una dey get the difference. I no know wetin people wey dey for medical field dey call am. The thought dey enter like this, bam, you go just enter. That you just lose that self control within seconds. No be the one wey you come sit down. This is wey my wife do. Wetin I go do am? Wetin I go do am? Then you go buy am. That one no be provocation. Now you don't know wetin provocation be. You wey dey watch our video, when you watch share, abi you no dey enjoy my video? Don't you like my videos? When you watch my video, share am. Na so e suppose be. Thank you. I love you.